Hello, welcome back to our lesson on histogram. In this question, we have a frequency table below that shows information about time taken by some workers to complete a given task. And as you can see, some of the frequency numbers are missing, and also the frequency density of the histogram graph, some bars are missing. We are supposed to use the frequency table and the histogram to complete the missing information. Now, we can see that the frequency density scale is given to us, so that makes it much easier to complete the missing information. So all you need to recall is the frequency density is equal to frequency divided by class width, and therefore frequency will be the same as frequency density times the class width. So we need to work out the frequency density and also find the missing frequency. And to find the histogram, the frequency is simply frequency density times the class width. So we can work out the frequency for this bar. This frequency density 1.6 times the class width of 5. That gives us 8. So we know the frequency for that class is 8. So we put it there. And once we know the frequency is 8, we can now know our frequency density, which is the same as what is here anyway. The next is we can work out the frequency density for this class by dividing 4 by the class width. So 4 divided by 10 is 0.4. So we got to raise a bar for this class up to 0.4. Then the next one is to find the frequency by multiplying the frequency density of 1.2 by class width of 5. That gives us 6. So we know our frequency is 6 and our frequency density is 1.2. The last one, we can work out the frequency density by dividing 16 by 20. That gives us 0.8. We need to raise the bar from 20 to 40 all the way to 0.8. And that is how we complete missing information for frequency table and histogram. Next example is where we don't even know our frequency density and we have to work it out before we complete it.